To explore meaning, provide opportunities learners to experiment, discover, solve problems. Enable learners to step into someone else's shoes. So, real world, flexible community involvement. Iniwaray experience in it. Industry. So, kita niyo, picturing ang basahan ha, may ipandinig lang naman. May dako, worksheet, assignment, ikadong assignment tayo, papahatag ko na lang. Example, kitaon na ha. Okay, ang problem, Audrey works to a call center, earns 18,000 a month. If we spend 1/6 of that report, makuri na nga nito. Cancel kami ito? 1/6 of the report from 18 of his earnings from him, house, and 1/3 on board and give a fraction to other. Mali po nga niya ulo, mag-cancel kita, hindi na lang. Pati ako din mo cancel.
Go down, go down.
Sige. If magamit kita natin discuss ng mga strategies under, ayaw kita pag-answer, dahil ito namin ang focus. Ayaw pag-answer. Do not make things complicated. Waray magsiring, didigan siri ito. Ang natin na is, ano nga mga IDF, instructional, essential facets, kung ginano pag-apply ng strategies para hindi nga problema. Amo na itong focus na wala si Mering ang significant. Nasa nila. On instructional principle with this one else using this problem. Kahit kita, diretso na lang. Sige. Amo manas to under information media, visual information media, technology. Bang digitally literate lang kita Facebook. Activity, openness, critical thinking, problem solving, and reflective thinking. Sige. Next. So, adinaan 5. Anan under creative. To think, openness, willingly to engage, critical thinking, ability to diverse environment. Under ito ang witian yan is core. So, marang na kitang teamwork. From the word verbal, includes facial expression. So, if bata, makikita ba yan mo ha? May mga non-verbal skills ba ang bata? Kung nahibaro o diri, makikita facial expression through body language. Then, communicating diverse environments. This ensures that individuals from varied backgrounds, religious, gender, diverse environments. Skills. What are under life and career skills? Life and career skills prepare learners to make informed life and career decisions to enable them to become citizens engaged in dynamic global community and successfully adapt to meet challenges and opportunities to live in the global world. Of course. Pero yan namin ang ating mga kabataan. Decision making, tayo na nag-decide, isang college ka, nanay. Okay. Use pedagogical approaches that are constructivist, inquiry-based, reflective, collaborative, and integrative. Sub-teaching. Next time. Guided, inquiry-based, ang kanina nga discuss, concrete. Next. Considers in choosing and utilizing pedagogical approaches, strategies, method, learning goals, learning style, subject matter. What are the steps? Develop engaging tasks, craft guiding question, act as a guide. Strategy approach, interactive mathematics experiments, mathematical manipulatives, mathematical trail, open-ended problem solving.
Guided learning.
Before rin may naka-orange kanina.
Discovery.
Okay, discovery. Guided discovery. Next is inquiry-based. So, gibubuhan relies upon the idea that individuals are being able to learn and investigate. Next is experiential learning. Learning by doing. Learn by actually having experience. Those experiences then stick out on approaches. Next. Reflective learning is the active, conscious reflection and experiences, emotion, action, and responses that is crucial for learning. Connectives, mathematics, problem solving, group discussion, error analysis. Then constructivist approach. Learners Students build their own understanding of mathematics by exploring concepts and making sense of them. Between different learning areas, personal experiences, and